Good evening, Livio. Regano with tonight's weather. Flood waters are once again rising after a wet and miserable start to November. And it's cooling down quickly as the west wind pushes out the northerly. Tomorrow we'll wake up to bright blue skies and a crisp, dry, gusty breeze. Yesterday's storms brought 40 millimetres of rain to Texas. We had 38 mils at Gundawindi, Miles 36, Warwick picked up 32 mils and Toowoomba 31 and many, many more. As is typical of rainy days, there wasn't much difference between our max and min temps. The mercury stayed below 20 degrees at most stations with humidity in the 70s. On the satellite loop, a lot's happened today and it's almost over. A very active low pressure complex in the Southern Ocean is producing this huge cloud band. It's actually a double-barrelled system. The top of it's producing isolated storms that are still affecting the tropics right now. The main rain cloud, which produced the heaviest falls, affected the southern part of Queensland. Most of that stuff went through this afternoon and is now offshore. And tomorrow it should be all gone except for a few little bits left up in the wet tropics. For today's chart, on the surface you see that big low pressure complex. It's south of Tasmania. It's supported by an even bigger upper low. That's the main rain bearing feature. There's a cold front extending from it and a trough extending from that, and that's now over eastern Queensland, and it's to the east of that system that we're getting all the uplift and all the rain. On tomorrow's chart, the entire front trough system together with the upper low moves offshore, a much drier and cooler southwesterly air mass coming in behind it. That'll reach all the way up to the tropics, and then on the outlook chart, the new high that moves across starts to bring that wind around more to the southeast, eventually making things warmer again. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the Darling Downs Granite Belt forecast. The sheep graziers alert remains current until midnight. Flood warnings are also current. Cool, dry and windy tomorrow. Dalby 20 degrees, same for Gundawindi. Toowoomba 17, Warwick 9 up to 19. And for the southeast coast, fine and sunny with Gatton reaching 23 degrees, Ipswich 25 and Brisbane 24. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, sunny at first with clear starry nights and lovely brisk mornings, but warming up again as the weekend approaches with increasing cloud, eventually leading to showers. For Warwick, again, we start quite cool. Nights getting down to 6 degrees. That's Thursday morning, picking up slowly through the day, and might be a little bit of shower activity on Saturday. And then for Dalby, it's the same. The weekend is our best chance of getting any rain, but at this stage, we're not going for any, and temperatures slowly picking up at night. That's all for tonight, folks. Pleasure to have your company as always, and thanks for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with more on the latest. Hope you can join me then. Now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. That's all from us for tonight. Thanks very much for your company.
A reminder, anything you'd like to watch again, our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. Hope you enjoyed Cup Day. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.